welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. And what I'm going to be doing today is I've got this mould, Halloween. Ooh, again, it will be spooky. And I've got these two here that are little Ouija board bits. And I've got this one, which actually could be a sun, but I'm going to turn it into an eye. And there's this one that's a heart with some wings. And I think they would make nice little attachments to something, or nice little Halloween ornaments. Also already got, which I made a long time ago, these two little resin half circles, and I'm going to use them in here as well. I'm going to use one in there for the pupil, and I'm going to use this one in the point of here. But before I do that, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be brushing on some mica powders on this mould to allow me to get the colours that I want quite well. I'm going to do that under fast forward. I'm going to be using these little toothbrushes, and I know you've seen me use these before and this technique, but it's really good and it does give a good result. So as you can see, I've finished painting these with the mica powder, and I'm quite pleased how they've come out. So all I need to do now is fill them with resin, and I don't want to dislodge any of the actual mica powder, so I always use a pipette to fill it with resin. It does take a little bit longer, but also I do find I don't get any trapped bubbles, or likely to get any trap bubbles when I do it like this either. These have all cured now, so let's have a look and see what these have come out like. These are ready now for me to turn into pendants. This one's really easy because it's already a pendant, so I want to flash it up a little bit and make it a little bit more gothic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to it one of these push bails, and my subscribers will be very proud of me because I can never remember what they're called, and they have told me, and I've written it down. And they're just easy to go on. You just open them up. I open it up with my fingers like so, pop it in there, push it together, and there we go. That one's done. But these ones are going to be needing to be drilled. So I've set my Dremel up with this drill bit, and I'm just going to drill it. Now this one I'm going to have hanging towards the side like that, so it hangs like that as opposed to that way, but this one I'm going to hang from just above here. And to get rid of the bits where you've drilled them, if you don't want to see them, I just use these same little brushes, push it through, and it cleans out that little hole really well. Always wipe up your little bits with a wet cloth. I use a baby wipe. You don't want this going into the atmosphere, especially when you've taken all the trouble to wear a mask when you're drilling it. And a wet cloth will not allow the dust to get anywhere other than in the wet cloth. So the same for these. It's just a push bail that I'm going to be using. And I'm using the leaf one for this one. There we go. More gothic-y one for the heart. You could put a jump ring in if you wanted to. You don't have to use one of these. and that one's going to hang like that. So I'm going to just use cord thread, as I said before. The links to everything I used today in the description. Everything I use, I try and find the cheapest option as well, even though it's still good quality, because I think it's important. And they're so easy to put together. All you have to do is just pop them through here, and then they're done. There we go, that's them all finished. They look really good with the cord on as well as necklaces. I will put some photographs of them all at the end together. Love this one. I think that's come out really, really well. I think that hangs very, very well. Very pleased with that. Simple, neat, beautiful Halloween pendants. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and the notification bell. Click that join button, no obligation. All you'll do is you'll see what the perks and everything are of being my member. I've kept it as really cheap as I can to give as many perks as I can. I appreciate it no end. I can't tell you how much it's been a great help for me. Don't forget, check out the videos that are coming up now on the screen next. Enjoy your resin. Bye.